Hi everybody, this is Brian O'Connor, and in this bite-sized session we're going to have a look at layer 5, the session layer. And when we're talking about layer 5, we're talking about layer 5 of the 7-layer network model, the model that allows devices to communicate. So we're going to have a look at what the session layer actually is, and then we'll have a look at the three modes of the session. So if we start with what is the session layer, as we can see, starting from the bottom, we're now at layer 5. And what the session layer is responsible for, most application protocols do require the exchange of multiple messages between the client and the server. This exchange of such a sequence of messages is called a session or a dialogue, and the session layer, layer 5, represents the dialogue control functions that administer the process of establishing that dialogue between the two devices. Also the managing data transfer, and then at the end of the session it tears down the session. And sessions can work in three different modes. So the first mode is one-way or simplex. Think of this like maybe somebody stood with a megaphone or sending you a postcard. Only one system is allowed to send messages and the other is purely there to receive. We then have two-way alternate or half duplex, and I always think of this like walkie-talkies. You can only talk when you're holding the button down. So what we have is the devices take turns to send messages. One sends, the other receives, and then the other can send, and then the other can receive. Finally, what we have is we have two-way simultaneous or full duplex. Now think of this like a telephone call. If you're talking to somebody on the other end of a telephone, you can both talk at the same time. So with full duplex, either device can send messages at the same time. And that is the end of this very quick bite-sized session. Hope it's been of some use, and thank you very much for watching.